welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. I believe this one is for the April 2020 box. I know I'm still behind, but I'm getting closer to catching up. So anyways, we're just going to dive right in and do the thing here. So, get our little newsletter out. Just has a refer a friend thingy on the back. If anybody wants a referral, I can give you one. But anyway. Spritzed up. It's April. Okay, I was right. It's April, but I'll spare you the cute pun about the rainy days ahead. The truth is, the only thing I want to be showered in this month is hyaluronic acid. As the weather gets warmer, my skin and hair are in need of more moisture. Luckily, this month's box is filled with hydrating solutions. A toner with rose water, a water cream moisturizer straight from Korea, and a color correcting cream that will mask the redness that inevitably comes with seasonal allergies. Ordering up a vat of serum for a full body dunk might be a little unrealistic, so I'll have to settle for a slather and a spritz. So, we will now go through and figure out which things I got from this and read up on them. So, first thing in here is actually the thing on the first page, and this is the Dr. Jart Plus Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Little bitty jar of it. I guess it does say Dr. Jart over there. I was like, where does it say Dr. Jart? But I guess it's right there. The price of this, the full size of it anyway, is $52. So, a little sample of this even. Pretty nice. So, this cream is meant to work like a tinted moisturizer, color corrector, and sunscreen all rolled into one. Namesake ingredient, tiger grass, aka Centella asiatica leaf water, is extracted from the herbal plant that's indigenous to Asian wetlands. Like aloe and chamomile, the herb is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In the jar, this cream looks like a mossy clay mask, but when it's rubbed into skin, this green wonder neutralizes all the issues. Constantly red skin, hormonal acne. I typically turn to foundation to solve. And then the green fades into a beige that blends into my fair complexion. Sometimes I can leave the house wearing just the treatment and a swipe of mascara. That is insane to me because it looks like that in the jar. But I suppose it is definitely worth trying out just to see. I mean, color correctors generally you put on under foundation, so I mean, even if it doesn't match my skin tone, that's okay because we can still put foundation over it. So, let's find the next thing. Okay. This is the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. Or, I guess, here's the English side of the box. The price, full size of this anyway, I just have the sample, is $40. Let's take out the little jar and look at it. And then we'll read the blurb. Oh, it's so cute! Look, it's blue. It's blue like ice. So anyways, put it back in there for now. Korea is known more as a hotbed of beauty disruption than as a leader in clean nature-sourced formulas. But wait, on a recent trip to Seoul's Myeongdong shopping district, I probably butchered that, I'm so sorry, which was jammed with every beauty innovation imaginable, I found one store, Primera, filled with plants. The skincare products inside were clean and infused with nutrients from seeds. This moisturizer is Primera's bestseller, so of course I had to have it. The bouncy gel cream feels rich but absorbs fast, so it's a perfect primer, and it hydrates intensely with glycerin and cocoa seed butter. Within 6 weeks of my return home, my jar was cleaned out and my skin was thirsty for more. Luckily, it's now available in the US. You can buy it at Sephora. So, just saying. Let's see, next thing in here, what do we have? There it is. This is the Allure by Jean Co. Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. Let's see. Very few ingredients too, by the way, which always good. Full size is $15, not too shabby. Made with hyaluronic acid and potassium sorbate, this gel-like serum is perfect for my oily skin. When I use it in the morning, it doesn't make me look as if I've dunked my head in a vat of oil like heavier serums I've tried. Truth, though. Truth. And I can use it at night, knowing I won't wake up with new blemishes. That would probably be great for me to use then. In fact, after a few uses, I've noticed that the hormonal pimples I've been fighting for weeks had decreased in size and redness, but most impressive is how much moisture you get with something that goes on so lightly. Definitely curious about that, but look how thick it is too, though. Like how viscous that is. It moves so slow. I'm so intrigued. Okay, so we've got that. We have the Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Long Wearing and Plumping Lip Liner in Mocha. So, I think there was like 2 shades you could have gotten. Or, I guess the color name is Khaki, but the shade is Mocha, if that makes sense. Because they have like names and then like the shade under. So, probably a little darker than I would like, but it might be okay. We'll see. We'll see. It might be a good, like, fall color for me. I don't generally usually go for the brown tones for a lip color on myself personally, but every once in a while they work out okay, and when they do, you know, it's good. When they don't work, I give them to my mom, because they fit her skin tone better, but this is full-sized, and it's $20. I always carry at least 2 lip liners in my purse. The only time I go without one is when I'm wearing lip gloss or when I've lost my go-to pencil for the 324th time. While most liners can double as lipstick, this one is specifically made to be both. Perfect, because that's one thing I've always done with lip liners, is I'll just like fill in the entire lip and be done with it, because I can never make them match a lipstick to save my butt, and I hate when there's a different color. It just, no thank you. The finish leans more matte, but your lips aren't left dry because the formula is full of moisturizing ingredients including shea butter, jojoba oil, and meadow foam seed oil. I tried the khaki shade, a taupe brown that blends seamlessly under brown lipstick, and Valencia, a bright magenta with Nicki Minaj vibes. Now both are fixtures in my lip routine. Damn, kinda wish I'd gotten the magenta, but that's okay. I'll still use and play with this. So there is that. This, if it's what I think it is, I think I've already got one of these from Ipsy. It's the Chiate London Dewy Sticks. Well, let's see, if it is, I'd be giving that to my mom, because I know she wanted one. We'll see if it's the same color. I think it is, though. Chiate London Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balming Gleam. Yeah, I think it is the same thing. $26. This highlighter is clear and glitter-free. Yeah, it's the same one. So it gives you a lit from within look in the most natural way possible. It's also foolproof. Just tap it on your cheekbones to achieve a dewy sheen. For all-over radiance, you can use it on your eyelids, too. The highlighter gets its glow from superfine pearlescent pigments and has a pretty golden tint. It's an easy way to attract light to the high points of your face without looking made up. And even though it's a balm, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Yeah, I'm like 99% positive this is the thing I got already. Let's look at it. I still love the star design on it, though. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the same one. Okay, well, now I've got something else for my mama that I can trade for Ipsy stuff. She and I have a system where anything that I can't use or I already have, I'll put aside for her, and if she has something in her bag that I want, I'll trade her for it. So, okay, this is the Car Skin Balance Toning Mist. Ooh, let's look at it. Ooh, it's like frosted glass. It always feels so luxurious when I encounter an actual glass bottle of something. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's read the blurb about it. I have a feeling this is a mini size of the full thing. Because the full thing looks like a giant bottle. Yeah, this is 1 ounce. That's 2.4 ounces. Full size is $55, so I'm happy even for this. In the past, the idea of adding toner to my skincare routine made me cringe. The alcohol-based formulas I used as a teen stripped my poor hormonal skin, leaving both physical and emotional scars. But a Car Balance Toning Mist is not the toner of my adolescence. It's made with soothing floral waters from rose and neroli and oil-wicking white willow bark extract. After washing my face, I spritz on the mist 3 to 4 times before continuing the rest of my 7-step regimen. In the short term, the mist gives my combination skin a quick dose of hydration. In the long term, it's slowly controlling my oil production thanks to white willow bark. This sounds very similar to another toner that I've got actually, so I'm happy for that, especially since I've realized recently my skin really likes toners, and putting one on before I do any kind of like mask or any type of moisturizing, oh, look at that, now my skin actually absorbs the products the way it's supposed to, instead of just sitting there and washing off like it was never there in the first place. My skin's a stubborn bugger that way, apparently. So, and finally, the last thing, what do we got? Ooh, is this a hair one? Tell me it's a hair one. This is Eva New York City Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Ooh, I think it is hair stuff, but it's obviously a mini size of it. But the full size is only $12, so if I like it, I can get the full size easily. Hairstylists preach that healthy hair and hot tools don't belong in the same sentence, but I refuse to give up heat styling. To minimize damage, I always prep with a heat protectant and a blow-drying cream. Then, once my hair is dry, I seal my style with nourishing oils. It's a process, but the spray combines all these steps into one quick spritz. After I shower, I mist the hydrating blend of argan and sunflower seed oils on my damp hair. The detangler saves me from having to comb through stubborn knots, plus the color-safe formula shields my hair from thermal and UV damage while also adding shine. That sounds honestly awesome, and if it really does all of that, like on here, it says, "Hi there. I deliver 10 benefits in one miracle potion to simplify your styling routine. I detangle, reduce frizz, strengthen, soften, cut drying time," even though it has an asterisk next to it, "add shine, nourish, smooth, and protect against thermal and UV damage. Use me on damp hair prior to detangling or heat styling. Shake the bottle, lightly mist mid-lengths to ends, and style as desired. Hair flip for good measure." Again, that sounds pretty good to me. Although, I get why they say mid-length to ends and not from the root, because if you put it at the root, it'll look oily, but I'm like, but I have frizz all the way up to the roots. What do I do about those? That's one thing with the hairstyling products that always leaves me kind of feeling baffled, is like, well, what do I do about those? That won't make it look like my hair is dirty and greasy, even though I just got out of the shower, just washed it and everything, but the product I put on it now makes it look like a grease trap. Yeah, that. I'm still in search of something that does the thing. But anyways, that's it for this Allure beauty box. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big ol' like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.